you're still using your mouse, going and grabbing the blade tool, making a cut on your clip, slowly deleting and moving, you're editing in slow motion. There's a much better way to do that. Hey, I'm Jason. I teach DaVinci Resolve so that you can edit faster, sound better, because I'm an audio guy, and create with confidence inside of DaVinci Resolve. This quick tip is all about cutting in your timeline and doing it a whole lot quicker. Let's check it out. The keyboard is going to be the way you're going to edit through your videos a whole lot quicker. I'm going to recommend that you use keyboard shortcuts to do all of your cutting and ripple deleting because it just goes so much faster. Now, I reassigned my blade tool here to be the letter S on my keyboard. I think by default it's Command B or Shift B, something like that. You can double check by coming to Timeline and Razor, and right here it's going to tell you what your keyboard shortcut is. So by using that keyboard shortcut, you can make cuts really quick and easy all over your timeline. Works out great if you just need to make a cut. Now, if I undo that, the other two keyboard shortcuts you need to know are how to make a cut and ripple delete. That speeds things up a whole lot. In order to know what the keyboard shortcut is on your machine for that, come on up to the trim menu. You want to come down to ripple, and you have right here start to playhead and end to playhead. Now, I use the Q and the W key because on my keyboard, if I have Q, W, and S as all of my cut and ripple delete keys, it makes it so fast to just keep one hand on the keyboard and make those cuts and ripple edits if I need to. So for example, I'm going to make a cut here. If I use my Q key to make a cut and ripple delete to the left, we can see it makes a cut, ripple deletes to the left. If I wanted to make a cut and ripple delete to the right, I'm going to use my W key. And if I just want to make a cut, I'm going to use my S key. So if I came up here, maybe I wanted to delete everything from this part to the left, I'm going to use my Q key. It's going to make a cut and delete all that stuff, move everything over for me. It just speeds up the workflow so much versus if you were to grab your blade tool, make a cut, then I have to get this tool, then I have to select that, and then hit my delete key, then there's a gap, then select this, then delete that. No. Too many steps. Use the keyboard shortcuts. It's going to speed everything up tremendously for you. And really quick, if you want to know how to assign your keyboard shortcuts like I did, come on up to the DaVinci Resolve menu, Keyboard Customization. Over here, you want to search for Razor. That's going to give you this. You can see I changed mine to S. Whatever you have here, you could just hit the X button there. It'll get rid of it. Set it as S. And then you also want to search Start to Playhead. And you'll see the trim menu here. You want to open up Ripple. You have Start to Playhead. I like to set that as my cue. And then if we change this to End to Playhead, again, open Ripple, End to Playhead, that I like to make my W key. Then you can have the same keyboard shortcuts as me. You can use one hand to make your cuts, ripple delete, speeds it up so much. And that's it. No more using the blade tool. Get in there, use those keyboard shortcuts because it's just going to save you a whole lot of time, a whole lot of clicking, and your arm's not going to get so tired from all that mouse clicking. So if this helps speed up your workflow, go ahead and hit the like button on this video. It helps me out, helps the video out. And if you want more DaVinci Resolve quick tips, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any that I put out. And actually, if you're new here, I already have a huge playlist of Quick Tip Tuesdays and Quick Tip videos that you'll probably find helpful. Doesn't even matter what version of Resolve you're in, they're all going to apply and still work here in DaVinci Resolve 20. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.